Guys, Blizzard Begins is the Illuminati. How do I know this? Just let me. Boop. There's 8 letters in Blizzard. Yes, 8. Okay, if we type 8 in, and we search that, 8-bit Ryan comes up. He is a YouTuber, just like Blizzard Begins. 8-bit Ryan. 8-bit Ryan. 8-bit Ryan. 8-bit Ryan. This is, yeah. Wow. Whoop. 8-bit Ryan has 8 letters in its name too. If we type in 88, enter that. 88. 88. People can live to 88. Type in people. People. Guess what? Blizzard Begins is a person. That leads us back to Blizzard Begins. Blizzard Begins is a person. People have one eye. I mean, wait, what? No, wait, what? People don't have one eye? This is getting really weird. What am I saying? What is happening? What is happening? What? Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, wow. People have 2 eyes. The Illuminati has 1 eye. Subtract 1 from 2. Oh my god. Boop. Subtract 1 from 2. That equals 1. Illuminati confirmed.